brought to my attention that I don't know everything, which is possible. And there's an easier way to remove the housing at the back of the daytime running light and the headlight. It's just to recap, you want to remove this push pin, this 10mm bolt, just to give you clearance to get the connector through. You have a push pin there, 2 push pins there, a push pin there, a push pin there, and I think that's it. And then this just pops out. You gotta do some shoehorning, but there you go. So, thank you for correcting my mistake and showing me the shorter way to do things. And your screws are pretty easy to access there for the daytime running lights. Okay guys, so I was going to delete my previous video and completely redo it. Let me show you my push pins. If you've got miles on your RMAX and you have mud built up on your push pins, they're going to be a bear to get out. Especially this one. That was a pain. And I had to rig up this silly contraption to get to it. The stubby screwdriver, it puts it at a bad angle. And it's a flathead. It's not a Phillips. So if you can't get the right angle on it, I spent more time getting this one push pin out of that location than I did my long way of removing the top, of removing this piece. So, just a tip, remove this one first. If it takes you more than 5 minutes to get that bitch out, use my long method of removing the other pieces. Once you get this out, then these other ones should be a lot easier because you can get them on from a straight angle. So I've drilled my holes here. Just some tips. Once you're about to break through, apply light pressure because otherwise your bit will go through and ding your bezel. You know, if you don't get all the shavings out, they'll fall to the bottom here and you're not going to even see them. Only this part right here is what's exposed. So, you know, blow it out with air or vacuum it out. But if there's still some plastic shavings in here, don't really worry about them. So the results. I used 2 LEDs. One wasn't bright enough. Really visible from the side. Straight ahead, they kind of fade because of the angle of the LED. Oncoming traffic is going to be more over here. Cheapy integrated turn signals. Not as nice as the Ryco kit, but if you're on a budget. A tip with it, push pins. Whenever you take them out and you're removing bodywork, wash them because they get all dirty and they're hard to unfasten. So wash them even after drying them. Maybe get some really cheap wax and throw them in a small vial and get them coated. Another trick is buy some silicone tubing. Got about, I don't know, 3 or 4 millimeters length. slip them over the insert, and then you have an instant release push pin. This will still tighten the bodywork, but then you can just unscrew it by hand, and you won't have to use a screwdriver. Okay, so I installed my easy release push pin there, and up in the corner there. And just to show you, if I pull on this, it's secure. I can't pull it out, but I don't need a screwdriver. I just use my fingers, and that rubber gives me grip too, and voila. So, easy push pin design that you don't need to use a screwdriver for. You guys have seen me use this before on my side panel storage under the seat. I had yellow silicone I ran out of, but this isn't coming out. All I have to do is give it a couple twists with my finger. No screwdriver necessary. Same thing with this. Could probably do it faster if I wasn't holding my phone and trying to concentrate. And I have one down here. Comes right out. And you can't pull it out. So if you guys are really sick of dealing with these push pin fasteners, which is why I didn't even attempt to remove the headlight bucket fascia in the first place, because I saw these, this is a solution. Just get some silicone, place it on there, and it's like a thumb screw.